Hello and welcome back to my channel. This is your friendly neighbor Trader Ankan. I hope you're doing well. Today we'll be doing a pickup pile reading for what's next in your love life. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell so that you can get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. So at this point, three piles will appear on the screen before you. Choose the pile that you feel more connected towards, that you feel more drawn towards. If you need a moment, pause the video and then choose. Also, while choosing the pile, I want you to visualize the person in your mind, your partner, your spouse, or the person basically in your mind. Also, you can view this reading from any situation that you're in. If you're married or in a relationship, or if you're single or in a no context situation, just apply the reading and the predictions to your situation that suits you. So once you're done choosing the pile, we'll start the reading. So starting with pile 1, and for people who chose pile 1, let's see what is coming next in your love life. So people who chose pile 1, in the past there may have been some sort of communication from their side. They may have tried to contact you, they may have tried to initiate something new with you, they may have tried to express their feeling towards you if you're married or in a relationship. So there was positive action from their side towards you, and things did go well at the beginning. Things was sort of balanced at the beginning. You were in a good mood, you were in a happy place, you were trying to balance things very efficiently, and you did that quite well. You didn't go for extremes. I see that you took the middle path, but after all of that, कुछ like which is काम का हुआ नहीं है. It didn't yield any result because there is definitely the death card. So yeah, things didn't uh, work out. Whatever initiative or action they may have taken, or you may have taken, but yeah, it didn't end well. It may have caused pain because चीज़ें शुरू हुए थे just starting में, and then abruptly it ended, and that did cause you some pain. So now currently I see you again trying to start, again trying to you know uh, exchange energies with the person, with your partner, with the spouse, trying to build that bond again, trying to start afresh. You may have taken advice from someone, or someone may have given you advice in this regard. For and this this is for some of the folks, people who are on the talks of getting married, जिनके शादी होने के बातचीत चल रहे हैं. सो करंटली दिखा रहा है कि अभी वो चीज़ शायद फिर से चालू हुआ है. शादी रिलेटेड, मैरिज रिलेटेड बातचीत शुरू हुआ है, एंड there is definitely a new beginning, there is definitely new energies coming in. So yeah, currently I see there is a lot of exchange of energies between you and the person involved, and positive we have. Even like I see that you want to start afresh and they also want to start afresh. There is this constant up and down, constant pull between you two about starting afresh. And positively, like currently though, energies are very positive. I definitely very positive energies. Even if you're in a no contest situation, I see them trying to start afresh, trying to start new. They are thinking about starting again. You may have received communication from them in some way, so the no contest situation may seem that it is about to end. But in the coming days, I see that honestly, I see this as a cyclic pattern. In the future, I see again ending coming in. There is a sort of you hitting rock bottom. Like आपने जो सोचा होगा उस हिसाब से हुआ नहीं है. पहले तो काइंड ऑफ काफ़ी ज़्यादा बैलेंस था, एनर्जीज बैलेंस होंगे, मतलब इन द फ्यूचर थिंग्स विल स्टार्ट बैलेंस, बट देन देर इज एन एंडिंग, and this probably comes as a result of ego clashes, uh, you know a, a, a clash of principles from your side and from their side. So definitely there things are going to end again in a way ki it will cause a sort of change within you, and you will feel like you have lost everything. Like this person that I'm talking about, this person could very much be a Taurus, or a Virgo, or a Gemini, or a Libra, a Sagittarius probably. But definitely things, I see a cyclic pattern here. Like चीज़ें शुरू होते हैं, then for some reason it ends. Again शुरू होते हैं, then ends. Like it's a cyclic pattern that keeps on going on. And I see that exactly happening in the coming days, because like I said, there is a clash of egos. There is like a very sharp tongue kind of energy. Like होता है ना कि quarrel kind of energy, झगड़ा होगा, like झगड़ा होने के chances है, जिसकी वजह से things will end again. And then again, like I see this going on and on again and again. So there's that. Now the energy that you should focus upon, or the advice card that comes to you, is the Two of Wands. So basically what the universe is asking you to do to overcome this situation, this cyclic pattern that you're in, is baby steps. Start slow, don't go for extremes, because all of this, like I feel like you guys are rushing in most cases, like to start afresh, to start new, to communicate, to contact with that person if you're in a no contact situation. If you're married, I see you guys not working things properly, not talking things through, and just rushing in, and this is resulting in failure again and again. So what the universe is kind of asking you to do is take baby steps, take things slow, try to understand, try to learn their perspective, try to learn your perspective. And transparency is very much needed, communication is very much needed, because आप लोग कोई चीज लेके प्लान हिसाब से तो चल नहीं रहे. यू गाइज आर लाइक काइंड ऑफ गोइंग ऑन इम्पल्सेस, यू गाइज आर काइंड ऑफ गोइंग ऑन फीलिंग्स के हिसाब से, नॉट जस्ट फीलिंग्स, बट होता है ना कि मन किया तो कर लिया, काइंड ऑफ वैसा वाला फीलिंग्स है, वैसा वाला एनर्जीज है. सो नाउ लाइक द थिंग दैट यू शुड फोकस अपॉन, एंड दिस इज अ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट कार्ड, द टू ऑफ वॉन्ड्स, इज टेक बेबी स्टेप्स, टेक थिंग्स स्लो. समझिए चीज़ों को, आपके लाइक कंफर्ट जोन. आई अंडरस्टैंड कि sometimes there is this need, like urge to like take things out of your comfort zone and do things differently, but starting में it's always better to take things slow. Like आपके comfort zone में रह के आप चीज़ों को धीरे धीरे करते जाइए, and eventually you will get out of this cyclic pattern that is there. So yeah, a mixed reading for you, a fluctuating kind of reading for you, ups and downs, lots of ups and downs. And the only way you can get out of this is taking baby steps. So yeah, that would be all for pile 1. Now moving on to pile 2. So now moving on to pile 2, let's see what is coming next in your love life. It's the same procedure. Try to visualize the person in your mind. Try to understand, try to picture their personality overall, how they interact with you. And we'll see what messages and what next is coming in your love life. So pile 2, I see in the past कोई चीज लेके आप कोशिश कर रहे थे चीजों को बैलेंस करने के लिए, आप कोशिश कर रहे थे कि लाइक किसी तरह से आप उसको मैनेज करें, आपके रिलेशनशिप को, आपके मैरिज को, जो भी है नो कॉन्टेक्ट सिचुएशन है, तो यू आर ट्राइंग टू बैलेंस इट, यू आर ट्राइंग योर बेस्ट टू कोप अप विद द सिचुएशन, बट I didn't like there wasn't much reciprocation from their side. उन्होंने साफ साफ मना कर दिया होगा आपके इनिशिएटिव को, आप जो करने की कोशिश कर रहे थे उसको उन्होंने लाइक काइंड ऑफ कट कर दिया होगा डायरेक्टली कि डोंट डू दिस, डोंट टेक इनिशिएटिव, डोंट अप्रोच मी, व्हाटएवर वो रहा होगा पहले. ऑल्सो यू मे हैव फेस कंपटीशन from other people, like if you're single or in a no contact situation, like people may have tried to block you, people may have tried to obstruct you, obstruct your initiative, obstruct whatever you were trying to do, whatever you are trying to express. People like आपके surroundings, आपके environment आपको वो करने दे नहीं रहे थे. This could be this could be your family members, this could be a third party, this could be their access, you don't know, like this, like आपके situation के हिसाब से, but definitely you face competition in the past, and also like they didn't reciprocate. So आप दोनों तरफ से आप बहुत ज़्यादा ही negative effects आपकी तरफ आ रहे थे. Now currently I see at least one of the person is doing quite well. This could be you or this could be your partner, but one person is doing quite well. They're independent, they're happy, they're self-satisfied, and they're doing their own thing. They're in their happy place, and in no way they are trying to looking to communicate with you, to connect with you. And then there is this other person who is giving a lot of effort. High chances this is you. You are trying to give a lot of effort with this 10 of Wands card. आप हद से ज़्यादा कोशिश कर रहे हैं चीज़ों को वर्कआउट करने के लिए, चीज़ों को बैलेंस करने के लिए, आपके लाइक फीलिंग्स को एक्सप्रेस करने के लिए, कंटेक्ट करने के लिए. और आई डेप लाइक बट उनके तरफ से कोई ऑब्वियसली आ नहीं रहा है, बिकॉज देयर इज़ लैक ऑफ एक्शन from their side with the 4 of swords. So वो kind of अपने ही धुन में हैं, वो आपसे they're not reciprocating, वो initiative को kind of value नहीं कर रहे. आप जितने भी कोशिश करें, जितने भी आप like कनेक्ट करने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं उनसे, they are not reciprocating, they are cut off, they are like blocking it entirely. वो अपने ही धुन में है. And this is taking a toll on you. आप इतने efforts दे रहे हैं चीज़ों को वर्कआउट करने के लिए, बट हो नहीं रहा है. So you are giving in more and more, giving in more and efforts दिए जा रहे हैं आप, but this is taking a toll on you, and the universe is kind of asking you to take care of yourself. आप अपने आप पे थोड़ा ध्यान दीजिए, थोड़ा सेल्फ केयर पे ध्यान दीजिए. वो तो अपनी चीज़ पे मगन है, वो अपने चीज़ पे खुश है, लेकिन आप एफर्ट्स दिए जा रहे हैं, एंड दिस इज अफेक्टिंग यू नेगेटिवली, दिस इज अफेक्टिंग यू एडवर्सली. सो चीज़ आप अपने खुद पे भी थोड़ा ध्यान दीजिए, अदरवाइज इन द लॉन्ग रन दिस विल कॉज यू more problems, physically and mentally, emotionally. So in the coming days I see them being very confused. They won't be able to decide on things. There is a sense of confusion, there is a lack of clarity. So आप एफर्ट देते जाएंगे, at one point they will possibly give you some hint कि they may be interested, but that won't be a final decision. They will be confused with something, they will be confused with taking a decision. And I also see you being होता है ना कि इन आप खुद से दे ही रहे हैं ना, एक मोमेंट पे आप जाके आप भी सोचेंगे कि यार कितना दूँ, हो गया बहुत दिया अभी और लाइक नहीं हो पा रहा है मेरे से। सो सिंस आप थक गए हैं एफर्ट्स देते-देते एंड आपका जो पार्टनर है वो कन्फ्यूज़्ड है, वो आपको कोई डिसीज़न दे नहीं रहे, वो आपसे लाइक कुछ पॉजिटिव इनपुट या कुछ भी उनके तरफ से कुछ आ नहीं रहा है, वो इंडिसाइसिव होके बैठे हैं। So eventually this will lead you to lose interest in this. You will get bored. You will lack that initiative. Like आपका मन उठ जाएगा उससे कि और कितना करूँ, नहीं करना है मेरे को. And this will kind of complete the entire circle. This will complete the entire process of this. आप अब जो भी कर रहे थे, आप जितना भी एफर्ट दिए जा रहे थे, वो सर्कल, वो एंटायर प्रोसेस का एंडिंग होने वाला है. नाउ जब वो चीज़ खत्म होगा, and this is a very good card to get in a reading, and this comes as an advice to you, basically the Ten of Cups, कि it's time to focus, at least for some of you, it's time to focus on your family. It's time to focus on your parents, your overall homely, जो घर का खुशी होता है, घर में जो हम लोगों को सुकून मिलता है, जो खुशी मिलता है, उस पे फोकस कीजिए rather than trying to chase this person. And for some of you, like, if you're married, this would mean it's time to focus, like, basically, even if you're not married, if you're married, doesn't matter. Try shifting your focus to things that matter more: your family, peace, your home, your children, if you have children. And आप वो चीज़ पर focus कीजिए. If you're single, like I said, it's time to focus on your family. It's time to focus on your home, your parents, and also in the long run, I see your wish getting fulfilled. It could be this person, it might not be this person, but in the long run, I see you getting this peace, getting this wish fulfillment related to your love life. So there is happiness at the end of the entire thing, but आपको तो लाइक वो फेलियर आपको मिलने वाला है, नॉट फेलियर आई वुड से, बट वही लाइक एफर्ट्स देते देते जो होता है ना कि लूजिंग इंटरेस्ट, वो चीज़ दिखा रहा है. सो या that would be all for the reading for pile 2. I seriously advise you to take care of your mental and physical health. उतना ही एफर्ट्स दीजिए जितना आपके हेल्थ, आपका शरीर, आपका माइंड आपको सपोर्ट करे, और ऊपर से एफर्ट उस हिसाब से दीजिए कि आपको इन रिटर्न कुछ मिल रहा है. आप अकेले वन साइडेड देते जाएंगे, एट वन मोमेंट यू विल क्रम्बल, यू विल ब्रेक. सो टेक केयर ऑफ योर हेल्थ and I hope the best for you. Now moving on to pile 3. So now moving on to pile 3, and the same process, I want to visualize your person, your spouse, your partner, and I want you to picture the personality. Think about them, think how they talk, how they interact with you. Sorry, the cards are a bit slippery. So yeah, so let's see what is coming next in your love life for pile 3. So yeah, pile 3. Okay, your partner could be an Aries or Sagittarius, or a Libra, or a Virgo, or a Gemini, and or a Leo. And I also see that in the past this person that was there, they are very like charismatic, they're very charming, they have a sense of, they have a great personality. Like होते हैं ना कुछ लोग कि रूम में वो लोग घुसते ही the entire focus shifts on them, a very Leo kind of energy. So this person or your partner is basically, this could be you or your partner. If it's not you, then it's your partner. So this person was like, they were in their power, and you tried to approach them, you tried to connect with them, but you faced disappointment in the past. You didn't get what you were expecting. Things like a sense of loss was there. आपको लगा होगा कि your feelings or your emotions are not being reciprocated properly. Like आप जितने like एक negative mindset आपके अंदर आ गया होगा with the 5 of cups. So emotionally a very draining kind of energy, sense of loss की like आपको लग रहा होगा कि यार वो जो मैंने जितना दिया, मैंने जितना like emotionally उनसे connect करने की कोशिश की, there was no output from their side, and this may have resulted you to shift your focus on yourself, and you were doing quite well. You were happy, you were independent, you were doing like अच्छा ही था आपका, with the 9 of Pentacles, a very happy, very free kind of energy, very liberating kind of energy. तो आप तो अपने ही धुन में मगन थे after facing that loss in the past. Now currently I see that you again are gaining your power. You are kind of taking charge. You have matured a lot mentally. There is a lot of maturity that has come within you, and there is this card of Wheel of Fortune. So whenever a Wheel of Fortune is in the reading, it is the universe working in the background. So a lot of things are going on in the background that you are not aware of. Things are taking things are changing basically in the background, but आपको पता नहीं होगा क्योंकि it's not you or your partner doing it, it's the universe doing it. A lot of things are changing in the background, and this is actually a positive sign. So things are actually changing for the better. अच्छे चीज़ें हो रहे हैं पीछे, बहुत डिफरेंट एंड बहुत कार्मिक चीज़ें हो रहे हैं आपके पीछे जो आपको पता नहीं होगा, एंड दिस विल लीड यू टू दिस एस ऑफ wands वाला एनर्जी. सो some of you can expect a new beginning from like in this relationship. If you're single, this could mean a proposal coming your way. This could mean a start of a relationship. And if you're in a no contact situation, this could mean that your person communicating with you, contacting you again, and this no contact situation coming to an end. So yeah, currently the energies are good, very positive energies. Lots of things are going on in the background. Now in the coming days I see like जो चीज़ें अभी बैकग्राउंड में चल रहे हैं, यूनिवर्स जो चीज़ें कर रहे हैं पीछे में, दिस विल yield result in the coming days. But there is this element of heaviness. So although positive चीज़ें होने वाले हैं, because a very positive part for a love reading is the 6 of cups. So for some of you this could mean your ex coming back, but for many of you this could mean a very soulmate kind of energy. So आपका जो पार्टनर था, आपका जो पार्टनर है, या आपका जो like the person who is there in your life, you have this soulmate kind of energy with this person, and this will come to fruition in the future. There is an exchange of energies, there is exchange of heartfelt feelings towards one another, and there is also justice. Like see, effort आपने भी दिया है बहुत ज़्यादा, और ऊपर से कार्मिक चीज़ें हो रहे हैं बैकग्राउंड में. So because you put all of these efforts in the relationship, in your situation, things will work out for the better. but there is this element of heaviness. There is this element of cyclic patterns. So although positive चीज होंगे, although there is getting together, there is love, and there is exchange of emotions, there is proposal for many of you. No contact situation है तो वो खत्म होने वाला है. If you are married, this could mean that you and your spouse coming close, coming together, working things through, a new fresh surge of feelings, a new surge of emotions, transparency, communication, सब चीज होने वाले हैं. But there is this element of the devil because this card is not that good energy. So कुछ चीजें आपके जो पास में जो हुए हैं या अभी भी जो हो रहे हैं, स्पेशली पास में जो वो जो था ना लॉस का फीलिंग, वो चीज साइक्लिक पैटर्न से चलते रहेगा. इवन इफ यू गाइस कम टुगेदर, कुछ चीजें लेके कलेश रहेंगे, कुछ चीजें रहेंगे जिससे आप निकल नहीं पा रहे. आपको लगेगा कि यार होता है ना एक बॉन्डेज वाला फीलिंग कि आप निकल नहीं पा रहे हो, उससे फंस गए हो आप, वो वाला फीलिंग रह सकता है. I'm not saying this is gonna be there, but chances of it is there कि you may feel restricted, you might not feel as well, but this will होता है ना नॉर्मली, जैसे कोई अगर दो पर्सन साथ में आते हैं, there is a sense of happiness, there is a sense of freedom, liberation and overall pleasure, wish fulfillment वाला जो एनर्जी होता है. But in this case is showing that even if you guys come together, there will be a sense of restriction. There will be a sense of निकलना, bondage. आप निकल नहीं पा रहे हो उससे ना, वैसा वाला एनर्जी दिखा रहा है. So, and because of this, since you guys because of this devil energy, one of you will realize, probably it's you or your partner, but someone will realize कि it's not what you expected, what is gonna be. जैसे आप सोचे थे दिमाग में, आपके अंदर ही अंदर जैसे आप सोचा था कि साथ में आएंगे, when you get together, finally things will be extraordinary, things will be dreamy. वो नहीं है. You will kind of face reality when this energy of the devil hits you, and this will eventually kind of cause you some stress. So kind of the universe, for the advice card you get the 8 of Cups. So the universe is kind of asking you to judge things properly, to understand things properly. अगर आपको लग रहा है कि आप फुलफिलिंग नहीं होगा वो चीज़, जब आप लोग साथ में आएंगे, जब things will not work out the way you thought it would be, या जितना आप सोचे थे कि आपको इमोशनल फुलफिलमेंट मिलेगा, उतना इमोशनल फुलफिलमेंट आपको नहीं मिल रहा है, तो इट्स बेटर टू वॉक अवे नाउ इंस्टेड ऑफ उसको खींच के आगे लेके एंड देन एंडिंग इट. So it is for you to judge. I can't say. It depends on your situation कि आपको एफर्ट देना है कि नहीं, या आपको आगे बढ़ना है कि नहीं. It completely depends on you, on your situation. But do take care and do try to understand things. Do communicate. चीज़ों को समझिए, थोड़ा इंट्रोस्पेक्ट कीजिए, and then only decide if you want to go ahead and if you want to give more efforts into this. So yeah, that would be all for the reading, pile 3. And yeah, I hope you like the reading. This is a mixed reading and a lot of things are working in the background, so not everything will be revealed now. As time goes on, you will start to understand these things. So yeah, that would be the reading for you. If you like the reading and the reading resonated with you, do leave a comment to claim the reading, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Till then, have a good day and bye.